All right, so we're going to be traveling soon, and I bought this travel kit by SurviveX. So this is going to have a bunch of different things in here. I just wanted to open it up before we leave and kind of show you everything that comes inside of here. This is also going to include things like stuff for alleviating pain, your indigestion, allergies, and a bunch of other stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we've got things like Tums for your stomach. We've got your Alka-Seltzer, again, for stomach problems. We've got Advil. We've got antacid for indigestion if you're eating any crazy foods while traveling, which I probably will be. We're going to be going to Asia, so I'm sure I'll be eating some spicy foods. This is great for travelers' diarrhea. Here is some Media Light. This is going to be perfect for when you're trying to rehydrate after being sick. You've got your sinus decongestant. This is a antihistamine, which is great all-arounder for whenever you are sick. We've got Typhon. Again, another one that is going to be great for if you just have an overall sickness. You've got your non-aspirin. So if you're someone who can't take aspirin, they've got a non-aspirin version. Then they also have your traditional aspirin as well. It's also going to have meclizine in here as well. So if you get motion sickness while traveling, then you would take that. You've got phenylephrine in here. So if you have a sinus or you need some decongesting, then the phenylephrine will really help out. And also if you get itchy or anything like that, there's also going to be a medication for that. So let me go ahead and show you down here. Let's take a look at everything here on the desk. You can see that it's going to come packed with so much stuff that's included. And it looks like a majority of these are going to be either 4 pieces or 3 pieces. So the Advil, Ibuprofen, the non-aspirin, and the aspirin will be 4 pieces. You've got your Pepto Bismol, which will be 4, your antacid, which will be 5, Alka-Seltzer, 3 pieces, Diamode, and meclizine is going to be 3 pieces. We've got our calcium carbonate, which is going to be 4 pieces, phenylephrine, 3 pieces, Loramed, 3 pieces, and diphenhydramine is going to be 3 pieces. So plenty of medication to bring with you, and it's going to come in this little pack. So total 70 tablets that's going to be there. So that should pretty much cover you and a partner as well when traveling, just kind of depending on, what actually gets to you. But I always say it's always better to be safe than sorry and have this stuff with you, because if your trip doesn't go exactly how you want it to be and, something pops up, you always want to make sure that you've got the medicine, especially when you're traveling in a country where you don't really know the language and you try to go to a pharmacy and figure out, is this the right thing that I'm supposed to be taking? Are they giving me something different? This way, you've got everything that you need on hand and you're not going to have to worry about it. So it's really just peace of mind. So if you're looking for a travel kit, something that's going to have you covered no matter what happens, then I definitely recommend picking one of these up and bringing it with you when you travel.